Welcome to Cut Time with Clean Data with Alla Breve Educational Consulting.
Today I'll discuss some syntax code that's a little more advanced, namely the do-repeat loop. Previously we saw some code that still involved a good bit of work. In the do-repeat loop, I need a stand-in variable. I've called mine loop var because I'm going to go through this list of existing variables in my data set. And then I have another variable here called target variable that's going to contain the list of new variables that's going to have the reverse coding. So in the next command, I just do the reverse coding formula that we know, complete my transformations, and set the formatting. So run, and now we see, for example, under home, it went 3142, so the reverse would be 3524, like we see. So now all I need is the list of variables that needs to be recoded and a new variable to contain the reverse coding results. And this is much faster and safer. Thanks for watching.